When it comes to food, Indian culture is all about flavor, balance, and enjoying the heck out of every bite. Let's break down some healthy eating habits, Indian style, because eating well doesn't have to feel like homework. Habit 1. Sit down and eat like you mean it. In India, meals aren't just about food, they're a full-blown production. And rule number 1, no eating on the go. Sit at a table, or heck, even on the floor, and enjoy your food. Gulping down rice while scrolling Instagram? Big no. Treat your meal like a mini break, not a pit stop. Bonus. Eating slower means you'll notice when you're full before you're rolling around like it's post-biryani nap time. Habit 2. Spices. Your secret weapon. Indian spices aren't just about taste. They're like mini health hacks in a jar. Turmeric fights inflammation, cinnamon helps with blood sugar, and cumin is best for digestion. But hey, keep it real. Don't go overboard unless you want to star in your fire-breathing dragon show. Habit 3. Veggies are non-negotiable. We get it. Potatoes is king, but your plate needs backup singers like spinach, carrots, and beans to truly shine. Add some variety, and no, the coriander garnish doesn't count as a veggie serving. Pro tip, think of veggies as the friends who keep you grounded. They're always there to support your health. Habit 4. Lentils is your superfood. Lentils isn't just grandma approved. It's the real star of Indian food. It's packed with protein, fiber, and all the good stuff you didn't know your body needed. Switch up your dals, moong one day, masoor the next. Keep it interesting, because even food gets boring if you're stuck on repeat. Habit 5. Portion control, Indian style. Thali are the OG meal planners. You've got a little bit of everything, and it's perfectly portioned, unless you start doubling up on the roti. The trick? Stick to smaller servings. Your stomach will thank you, and you won't need to unbutton your jeans after every meal. Habit 6. Fermented foods are a gut's best friend. From yogurt to dosa, fermented foods are like the underappreciated heroes of Indian cuisine. They keep your gut happy, and a happy gut means a happy you. Just don't let pickle love go overboard. Too much salt can turn your healthy meal into a cheat day. Habit 7. Hydrate like a pro. Water is great, but Indian culture takes hydration up a notch. Sip on coconut water or herbal teas. And yes, chai is love, but maybe cut back on the sugar. Start your day with warm water to wake up your system. It's like hitting refresh for your body. Habit 8. Dessert is not a daily affair. Let's be real, desserts are life, but having gulab jamun every day isn't. Save the indulgence for special occasions, and when the sweet tooth strikes, go for fruit, dates, or a tiny bowl of kheer. You'll still get the sweetness without the sugar overload. Healthy eating isn't about saying no to the food you love. It's about saying yes to balance. Add some veggies, play nice with spices, and treat your plate like a well-planned meal, not a buffet challenge. Eat healthy, live happy, and share the love and this video before you share your next plate of food.